So, welcome back to another live trading session. I just want to break down some very clear rules, clear principles. So, many of you might experience some issues with Funder Pro or Funder Pro futures, mostly Funder Pro futures, okay? This is not any advice, recommendation, anything, okay? I'm doing my own thing. I'm using TD 365. That's the platform that I use. You could in Discord, under open live account, you could use that link, and then you could join and you could get the same, yeah, prices charts as me. This is the cheapest CFD broker. You're not gonna find anyone cheaper. When you open a position, you're paying like like under like one, like it's nothing. It's like one krone spread. Like it's like you're not even gonna see it. So when you open a position, you're not gonna be down. You're just gonna be break even, right? Or you're gonna be up if it's going in our direction. But I would not recommend anything. I would not recommend Funder Pro Futures or FunderPro.com. You have to understand the math behind FunderPro.com and Funder Pro Futures. Okay, if you're paying $200 or $1,000 and you pass a challenge, if the system is working, and you're getting one payout, and you're trading with 200K, and you're making 3-4 good trades once you fund it. I easily made like $5,000 and $10,000 for that. Then my money is back, like 10, 15, 20 times, and your risk is like, it's not that big. Like it's like 299. If I take one bad trade here on my live account, I lose 20,000 or 30,000. If you take one or two or three bad trades, you're just breaching your account, you're blowing your account, but you can always get a new one. So the math behind it, if you're trading correct and you're not giving up, is great. But if you have any issues with Funder Pro or any prop firm, contact the support. Yes, I know them, but contact the support. They will help you. Explain what you experienced. I experienced the same. I was trading yesterday. I was looking into my charts and I saw that when I opened positions, I was down. I got stopped out for no reason. It went against me when the market was actually trading down. So I went for, a short, and the chart just went up. But over here on my TD, the chart was down. It's like very weird. It's tough for me to explain. I just see that I got many emails, many chats from you guys that you have or you experience some issues with Funder Pro Futures. Contact the support. And how do you contact the support? You do that with the chat over Funder Pro Futures, or you simply just send an email to support@funderprofutures.com, and then you explain what's going on, and then they will compensate you, give you a new account or whatever. It's out of my control, but I would recommend everyone, please, I would recommend everyone that using my service. If you want the most value and you really want to live from trading or learn from trading and learn from my mistakes, forget all about this Funder Pro. Forget about all this like futures accounts with prop firms. The only thing you should be focusing on is only one thing. That's live account, real funds. Open an account, use this link, and then it will open up to the broker I use. Then you could sign up there. They are regulated, they are backed by a large bank, so your funds is safe. It's not like Vantage or other like platforms. This is actually quite good. They have also the cloud trade. That's the one you have to pick, and we're just trading on their website. But they also have a cloud trade on their mobile phone. Do not use that. Do not place any impulsive trades. Trade only for 5-10 minutes. Only risk 1% of your account size. So I will just go quick over here. I want you all guys to open up a live account like me. Through the past 5, 6, 7 years, and also just through the past 5 months or through the past week, I'm up like a lot. Like I mean a lot. Like every day I'm up a lot. Like, so I will journal down my trades in percentage wise when I open, close here in Discord. So I'll make a new challenge for all my trades. So I'll just call this one here journal down all trades, and that's gonna be the members only, the $3.99, or like if you have $4,000 membership, it doesn't matter. But here I will journal all my trades down from TD365. You could follow it and you will see that I make a lot of money and I'm actually doing quite good. Regarding Thunder Pro futures, it's extremely hard. I don't know if it's extremely hard. You can pass it and get lots of payouts. Like if you pass it once, and if there's any issues with your accounts got liquidated or your accounts is blown, or because of like an error in the system, or not like something didn't work out, they will just give you a new account. It doesn't gonna, yeah. So just reach out to them. Do not reach out to me. This is not my firm. I'm not, responsible for that. I've been using it myself. For the most of the time it works. And it's a very good, same with Apex. Apex was also very good. I paid $18 for an account. I activated for $85, and I get $3,000 in payouts. Like what? I just 10x, 15x my money for per invested capital. I know it's not that safe, and sometimes they're not going to pay you out, and that's why I'm not using it. I have been using my live account my whole life, and when I started trading from day one, I also started using a live account. Yes, I also use prop firms. I use many prop firms, but once you start getting like a couple of payouts, you really don't want to use prop firms anymore. Like it's too complicated. It's not that safe. It's just a little waste of time, because sometimes this happens and that's normal, but it's just you don't want to be dealing with that in the future, especially not if you want to take your life very seriously and make a lot of money. What I'm saying is, you will see that, okay, I'm trading very bad, and you think like I'm not super good. You will see I still make a lot of money every single day, or over a week or 2 weeks, and I will journal down, take screenshots, and then you can see everything I do. It's just totally different. It's because of my position size. So I will make some videos on how to use this platform, how to sign up on TD365, what is short, this is sell, what is buy, you buying it of course, how much I'm going in with, risking 1% per trade, and so on and so on and so on. That's gonna be that. So if you have like $10,000 or 100,000 Danish crowns, remember only risking 1% of your total bankroll per trade. You could make unlimited. You could make 50% a day, or you could make 10, 15%. The idea is, when you go in short or long and you're risking 1%, it starts selling off and you're up a lot. You can move your stop loss to break even and let this run. And if it's running the right direction, you can just keep moving it down. And now you're risking nothing, or you're actually making money and you are in profit, and you move your stop loss to profit. And you can let this run forever if you want, for the next 5 weeks, the next 5 years. You don't have to close it. But what I'm saying is, you cannot go in and have like 10% loss on your account per trade. Then you will lose your account. So there will be good days where I'm gonna make a lot of money, but there's no reason that we start losing 50k and then we have to gain 50k back. That's a break-even mindset. We should just only see if there's a very good setup, very safe. Take that, risk 1% out. That was it. I'll trade now. We passed 15 minutes soon, and then we could focus on on the market. But I not recommend, because I don't want to do that. I don't want to have my name on that I recommended you something. I'm using this platform. I know many 8-9 figures, big hedge funds guys, like very larger financial institutions that's using this. They like it. I like it. It's the only platform I use. I use other platforms, but this is the best one for me. For me, is the best one, because I'm trading Germany 40 and I'm trading US Tech. Do I like the FundaPro.com version with the trade locker? Yeah, it's fine. I'm just saying, like, it's okay, and you can take crazy payouts. You just have to be, I would say, a little careful of not over trading, okay? This could act as a good long here for the DAX if we're gonna hold. I'm not saying you should do anything. I'm just saying this is what I do and this is what really works for me. And I'm very, very, very happy using this, okay? Break below 500, I will go short. If we're holding now above, I'll take a long above here, back to highs. This is a strategy that really works for me. So if we break below, it might trigger a short. If we do not break below, it's a long, back to here. The pre-market highs, that's what we want to go back to. So there's 160 points upside. But if it's going to sell below, then we should be very cautious and very careful, okay? So let's see here. There's a chance it's going to sell back to here and back to there and even lower, and that's a short, okay? Right now it's a long for me. Let's see here. I'll start going in for a light long here. I'll risk on this one here 20 points. I'll go after maybe 100 points, but I'll exit very quick. You know my strategy, in and out. If you're selling below, we saw below right there. So this is not a long. This is not a long. This is more short now. So what do I look at? I look at the 15-minute bar, and I look at the first bar. This is where we are, and we're trading above. So it's a long. Break below here is a short, but this is where we have support. So be careful. For me, this is still a long. I'll go in for a long if we can come a little bit back. So this is the board. If we can come back to 504, or we might not, but then I'll go for a long. So it's actually a long right now. It's not a short. Short below 491, and that's just long. Yeah, it's a long. It's a long. We're holding. Very risky. Do not go in now. It's too risky, guys. It's too risky. Could sell back again. Break below here, short. So this is my plan. Break below here, short. This could act as support. We can come down here and push up again. So if you go long here, have a stop loss around there, but then it's very risky. So this is more going to be a scalping session. This is where you should be paying attention. This is my strategy and how I actually managed to make a lot of money. This is my mindset. It's completely different, and I not just focus on risk. Okay, so yes, it could push up now. I understand that. It could also sell off, and we're selling off right there. Wow. But it could push up. Let's just be a little careful here. Be careful. I'm just going to go after making maybe 20 or 30 points or something like that. That will be perfect. Okay, so it was a short. Wow, too many information here. Okay, I'll go for a short, but it's just very risky. It could hold here and bounce right back up. You have to always do the logic thinking. We're trading. Everyone went short here. Would break below. They're getting stopped out now. So this is a short. They might push it back. Let's see here. But I know we went up to 530. I just need to be mental ready. So yes, it's a short, but they could also push it back here. So what do I do? Short here. Let's see here. Going for a quick short here. It's very risky. Trading at 60. Let's see here. We'll exit this one here if we get to, let's see here. Wow. Let's see if we break below. Oh, the chart is not with me today. This might be a support now. Why is this chart fucking with me? No, it's a long. Not super sure. It's very risky because I enter short at lows. I'd like to exit this one here at 450. I'll exit now. I just exit this short here. Made some money. Let me just think here for a second because charts is not working with me. Let's just calm ourselves down, okay? So, plan is, why did I took a short? After 15 minutes and after 18 minutes, we have a break below. So this is the school run strategy, the opening range breakouts. That's why I'm short. The long would not, but you see, that's why I'm closing, and that's why I'm a very good trader and actually make money, because I'm very good at closing. Now we have a big push. I'm just telling you, be very careful. Maybe I should size a little bit down here. I think it could push to 550 and then sell off again. We'll go for a quick short here. It's a quick scalp. But you could see higher lows and it might just push on back. It's very risky. Yeah, I would like to short around 550. Strong candle. I'll take it when it's getting rejected and red. And I might take it back to here. So let's get ready for a short. If we push up now, we can go for a short. A lot of people is getting stopped out here and it might rally up here. This would be a very quick scalp. And I'll let you know what I do. I'm planning a short here. Planning a short. I'm short right now. Let's see here if it's gonna sell off. Yeah, exit this one here. Exit, guys, at 525. Here, it's 22 now. Yeah, it's still a short. If it's pushing above here, it's a long. If it do not push above here and it sells below here, it's a short. Sells below here, it's a short. Push above, it might be a long back to previous highs for the pre-market session. It's gonna go up. But what I'm saying is I'm very good at mitigating risk, and I'm very good at staying detached. It's very difficult. They might push the market another 120 points. Long above here, also is just going to be short below here. Okay, long above here, but this could also act as a resistant. This is my last trade. Yeah, big push. They could push the market up here again, or up here, or up here. Do not go short here, just wait a little bit. But the overall idea I took with short and then closed it was very good. And then I told you to go short there and close it at 525 or 522. So you could close, if you went short, you could close your short now. But what I'm saying is, if I say something, you can always hold for 2-3 minutes. You're always gonna make more money than me. It's just because I'm yeah, I don't know what I can call myself. But what I'm saying is that if I say long, short, more careful. But if I just say only short, then you're fine. It's a break below. Okay, we'll go short back here. Break above here, then I'm not trading more. Break above there, and then I'm done. Not trading. But if we can hold below here and sell off, it's a short. It might push above here. Be careful. Be careful if it push below here, short. Be careful. Don't do that. Yeah, so it right now it's a short. It's very weak. But Nasdaq is holding quite strong. Nasdaq is holding higher lows and higher highs. It's very tricky. It could push up. Just be careful. I know this DAX is selling off, but if DAX not sell below and holding support here, then it's a long. So I would rather go long here than short. Like, I mean, going short here could work, but it's just, there is like 60 points up. So I would be very careful of going short here right now. I'd rather go long, but let's see here. It's too risky for me. I'll just take a, let's see here. It's not really working. It's like these charts doesn't fit with these charts. Okay, charts not working really. Let's see here. Charts is working, it's just my Wi-Fi, I think. It's too risky. The price action is very bad. It could push, it could sell off. I would not do anything if I was you. I would just stay cash. Buff here long, but it's very negative today. And we're also gonna have this report coming out. We're gonna have PPI. So let's see here. We don't have. Yeah, it's very negative. Like, let's use the dollar. If the dollar increasing, it's just not doing anything. Yeah, I might just wait a little bit. Yeah, it's very risky. Just give the market some time. This is a long signal. This is a long signal. I would rather go long than short. So if I should go long, it should be around here and then stop loss there maybe. You see, I was right. We can go for a very light long. But I think it could push back here and it could sell off. It's too risky. Yeah, okay. So I already saw this coming. I saw that coming. It might get rejected here or else it's gonna push above. Could go for a light short. Could go for a very light short. Let's see. It could push above and take us out. This is what the market wants to accomplish. Push the shorters out. I think it's gonna push up now. Let's see. But price action is super bad. I am not gonna trade more. I hope you enjoyed some of it and let's just stay cash.